Well, first I wanted to tell you that you're amazing. And I just love, literally I love how you compliment me. So whatever I'm lacking, you pick up for. So I'm impulsive and impatient and crazy, and you're calm and patient. And you're so emotionally sound. And I just know that we are literally going to become one. It's gonna be great because I need all those things. And this is just the beginning.
There's a saying that says the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.
I've never been more sure about anything in my life. And there's a lot of things that I've never been sure about. You taught me to be a better person. Overall. And that's through the grace of God. And I'm so ready to be with you. I feel like this is a whole new chapter in our life. And I'm so ready for it. God really blessed me with you. He really did.
Hi.